Hello friends, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, nail polish, and things happening in my real life. Today I have an update for my project, the Love My Makeup Project. It is the simplest project I have in my collection, or rotation. Whatever, the simplest project I'm working on because I created it and it's really easy, so stay tuned. Alright, this is Love My Makeup Project. It is a project that I created because I needed to fill my schedule, or wanted to fill my schedule, and have a project to work on things at my own pace. This is a simple project that anybody is welcome to join. You are to work on 3 products of your choosing. I happen to choose to work on one for my eyes, one for my face, and one for my lips. But you can pick any 3 products you want and then use them 10 times each and take as long as you want. I just had one that was in since last October that I finished last month. So, without further ado, let's talk about the 3 products I am working on, my progress, and yeah, what's coming in the future. So the first product that has been in the longest, it's been in since April, and that is my Ilia multi-stick for my cheeks. I use this as a cream blush, and I have not used it in forever. I keep forgetting. It's something I like to put on when I'm doing my foundation, and then I powder over it and set it, and I keep forgetting. So this is what it looks like. It is the deluxe sample you get for your birthday from Ulta, and in the shade At Last. And that is what it looks like. So far I've used it 3 times. I need to get around to using it again. I need to remember to use it while I'm doing my makeup. It is a beautiful color and I really enjoy it. But I keep forgetting it. And yeah, we'll get to it eventually. The next product is for my eyes, and I brought this in last month. And it is from Lottie London. It is their AM to PM eyeliner in the shade Velvet, which is a super dark, almost black purple shade. Or a blackened purple with a slight hint of metallic to it. I've used it once over the last month, so yay me, that's progress. It is brand new, and you can see there's just still the tip sticking out that's rolled all the way down. So yeah, that's like the second use it's gotten, you know, well, I guess it's got one use. Maybe I've used it once before, but mostly it's been used swatching. So yeah, 9 more uses to go on that. And then finally, the last thing I brought in also last month was for my lips, and I decided to go with my Beauty for Real, what is this called? Beauty for Real Define Lip Liner in, I believe, Deep Nude. I should take the little label I put on it off and reposition it so I can see what the name of the color is, but I think it's Nude Deep, maybe that's what it is, Nude Deep. Anyway, it is a lip liner. I'm trying to get the lid off without yanking it. It is a lovely dark burgundy shade. I'm not wearing it today, but it would go lovely with this look. It would match this lipstick quite nicely. But that is what it looks like there. And over the last month, I have used it 4 times. So this I have no problem. It is nice to mix with lighter colors to darken them up a bit, or to give more staying power to darker colors like this. I just didn't think to put it on today. So that is it, quick and easy. The hashtag for this project is Love My Makeup Project. Easy to remember, that's the name of the project. And it's 10 uses for 3 items for 10 uses each. Oh, that's what happened, my light died. Anyway, if you want to join, please let me know. You can just leave a comment in the description down below. I also have a list of people who are participating, which right now is really short. I believe it's just Shelley from Unapologetically Shelley, but I would love to make it a longer list. And you can take as long as you like on these products. And yeah, it's just, you know, casual little project to fill your time or give you something extra if you're, you know, starting out or just whatever. Anyway, thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!